So, first of all, you heard about color blindness, hemophilia like diseases. They are totally depending on X chromosome related. Now here, the color blindness, if you are taking as an example, in case of this, usually disease is appearing in males and females are acting like carriers. Then how it is possible and how it does, we have to see. First of all, I'll take one simple problem and depending on that, we'll discuss regarding this. Here, color blind woman marries normal male. So, see, color blind woman, female, marries normal male. Normal male. Now see, the colorblind woman is marrying a normal person, and what kind of progenies they are getting, and where you are observing color blindness. Now we'll see this. Here we'll take genes, that is X dash and X dash. It is indicating color blindness in case of females. And normal male, as you know, the genes are X and Y. So here, this is P1 generation, you are knowing. Now here, they are producing gametes. Here, as it is homozygous, it produces only one kind of gamete, that is X dash. On the other hand, as it is normal and heterozygous in nature, it produces two gametes. Here, X as well as Y. Now, these gametes, when they are combined, they are producing the progeny in F1 generation, that is first filial generation. That is just see X and X, they are combined. So it is becoming X dash X. Now in next step, so here another combination you are observing, X dash and Y. So see here, as it is related with the X chromosome, the females are acting like a carriers. The disease is present, but it is not expressed in case of females. But it is completely expressed in case of males. So here, this is female and she is a color blind carrier. So she is acting like a carrier, but she appears to be normal. So I am writing here normal carrier. So she is carrying a gene along with her, but appears to be normal in her progeny. Then in next what happens in case of males, this is a male one. Here, one bad body the male is receiving. So as a result, here the color blindness is appeared. So as a result, here we can call color blind male. So all 50% of the sons, they are color blind. All 50% of the females or daughters, they are normal but carriers. So this is F1 generation. Hope it is very clear to you. Here, the colorblind woman is marrying a normal man, and they are producing gametes. In their combination, in the first filial generation, they are getting a normal carrier daughter and the color blind son. Here, daughter and son you people are observing. In next step, we'll see, okay, if suppose the carrier woman is marrying a color blind male, carrier woman is marrying a color blind male, then what changes are taking place? So, first what I said, carrier female marries color blind male. So here in case of this, the carrier woman X dash X as in case of F1. So then color blind male, that is X dash and Y. If suppose this is the situation, then in F2 generation what they are getting? See, I am mentioning here as F1. So in F1 generation whatever we got, depending on that we are crossing them. And what possibilities we are observing, just see here. As both are heterozygous in nature, they are producing two gametes X dash and X. So here in case of this also X dash and Y. Now gametes are produced. Now the combination of the gamete, just see. So here X dash, X dash. Then in next X dash and Y. In the next one X dash and X. Last X and Y. So see, when carrier female is marrying a color blind male, then what possibilities you people are observing? Just see, here the female is color blind. Color blind female you are getting. So the daughter is color blind here. Then X dash Y, this is color blind son or male. Color blind son you are getting. And here she is normal but carrier. Carrier female, and here the normal male. So in this way you people are getting a F2 generation here. So in F2 generation, one of the woman or a lady or a daughter, she is color blind, and here the male is a color blind, and then female, one of it is a carrier, and finally one of the male is totally normal. So such a type of appearance you people are observing. This is totally depending on X chromosome. So females are usually acting like a carriers, and same thing happens with hemophilia. The hemophilia is a disease where a particular gene will be absent. It is also X-linked, sex-linked, you may say. So here the disease will be transported as like that of the color blindness. So hemophilia is a disease where one of the gene is absent, which is responsible for the clotting of the blood in the body. And there what is happening, if suppose the diseased person is there, a small cut on the body, it oozes all the blood from the body. There will be no coagulation. So as a result, the last drop of the blood will be oozed out from the body, and that results into the death of the patient. So this disease you are calling it as hemophilia disease. So, color blindness and hemophilia you people observed. Now we will go to some questions. Okay, what type of questions we are getting? Now, Unit 3, Part 4, Genetics. We'll go to the slide now. So, the first question. A color-blind man marries the daughter of a color-blind person, then in their progeny, what they are getting? Here, first of all, the color-blind man, okay, marrying a daughter of color-blind person, okay. So, color-blind man is marrying a daughter of color-blind person, okay, that is the male. Then what type of result you people are getting? Just see this. None of their daughters are color blind. Second one, all the sons are color blind. Now, see, all the daughters are color blind and half of their sons are color blind. Already you people gone through the test, or you may say, you gone through the cross what I explained. Okay, depending on that, half of their sons are color blind. Half sons are color blind and half of them are carriers. So as a result, option B is the right answer. That is, half of their sons are color blind. So we'll move to the next question. Now see, in case of this, sir, can you reduce it? Little bit. So, given is X is the chromosome with gene for hemophilia and X is the chromosome with normal gene. Which of the following individuals will act as carrier of hemophilia? What they said here, X is the chromosome with a gene for hemophilia and X is the chromosome with normal gene. And which of the following individuals will act as carriers for hemophilia? In case of this, say XHY, XY, XHXH and XHX. Here, females are the carriers. So as a result, option D, XHX is the right answer. We'll move to the next. Now in case of this, color blindness is found more in males than in females because what they said, color blindness is found more in case of males than the females. It is only because, just see the option, the males containing the single affected X chromosome are color blind. Heterozygous females are color blind. Males having affected Y chromosome are color blind. Then affected X chromosome has much high affinity to Y chromosome as compared to unaffected X chromosome. So here the right answer is option A. The males containing the single affected X chromosome are color blind. So as a result, you people are knowing it is X dependent, sex linked. So as a result, males are always having X and Y chromosome. There, if suppose X is bad, then definitely option A is the right answer. So as a result, in case of this question, A is the correct answer. We'll move to the next one. Now, sex-linked characters are, think about it, sex-linked characters are dominant, recessive, lethal, not inherited. So, these are recessive characters. B option is the right answer. In case of females, one X is bald, another X is normal. There, the females are normal but carriers. You are knowing. So, as a result, this sex-linked inheritance is totally recessive. So, option B, recessive is the right answer. We'll move to the next. Now, which one is a sex-linked disease? In case of this, okay, some diseases are given here. Which is sex-linked disease? Already I told you. Okay, so see, tylosis, beriberi, color blindness, albinism. You may be guessed that is color blindness. So, option C, color blindness is sex-linked disease. So, option C is the right answer. We'll move to the next. Now see, if mother is a carrier for color blindness and father is normal, mother is carrier, father is normal, then in the offspring this disease may be seen in. Where you are finding this disease? Now see, all the sons, all the daughters, 50% sons and 50% daughters. Okay, daughters are carriers. Now D is all the sons and not in daughters. But here option C is the right answer. 50% of sons and 50% of daughters, and sons are deceased, daughters are carriers. So option C is the right answer. Now next one, just see. Which one is the sex-linked trait? Which one is the sex-linked character? Just see here. Myxedema, diabetes, blindness, hemophilia. Automatically, very simple question. It is option D, nothing but the hemophilia. Hemophilia works same like that of the color blindness. So, the next question. Okay. Just a minute. Sir, we have to reduce this. If a colorblind lady marries a normal man, their children will be. Colorblind lady is marrying a normal man. Okay. So, see, already I explained to you. But even though I'll solve here itself, then what happens? It will be very clear to you people, and you will get an idea how to solve these problems. Just see here. So what I said? Colorblind lady marries a normal man. Colorblind lady. So here, colorblind female marries normal male. Normal male. Okay, just a minute. I will select different color. Now, here colorblind, this is colorblind female. Okay, so here colorblind female, I am taking it as X dash and X dash. And here normal male, I am taking it as X and Y. Now gametes they are producing, as it is homozygous, it produces X dash. As it is heterozygous, it is producing X and Y. So the combination, just see, X dash X and X dash Y you are getting. This is X dash X, then X dash Y. So here the carrier female you are getting, that is daughter. Then here color blind male you are getting, that is the son. So as a result, here the options are given. What they said, if a colorblind lady marries a normal man, okay, marries a normal man, their children will be. So here, normal daughters and normal sons, it is not possible. Normal sons and carrier daughters, normal son and carrier daughter, it is also not possible. The third one you see, color-blind sons and carrier daughters. So, color-blind son and carrier daughter. So, this is the right option. What you said? Color-blind sons and carrier daughters is the right answer. Finally, last one they are given, color-blind sons and color-blind daughters. Here, color-blind son and daughters you are not getting. One is carrier, another one is a color-blind one. So, as a result, option C is the right answer. So, here option C is the correct answer. We will move to the next one. Now see, which one is hereditary trait? Which one is the hereditary character? Okay, night blindness, baldness, color blindness, then beriberi. So here, out of all this, the correct option is option C, color blindness. This is the right answer. So we'll move to the next. Now see here. The character of organisms is said to be sex-linked when its gene is carried on. So, here Y chromosome, X chromosome of male or female, X and Y chromosomes, a particular autosome. Yeah, option B, X chromosome of male or female is the right answer. We'll move to the next. The tendency of genes to remain together during the process of inheritance is known as. During the process of inheritance is known as sex linkage, differential inheritance, here optional linkage. The right answer is option B, that is linkage. We'll move to the next. Now see, the traits controlled by the genes located on X chromosome of human beings are said to be. Now here, see the options: sex-linked, sex-influenced, sex-limited, then none of this. Yeah, the right answer is option A, sex-linked. So, we'll move to next. When linked characters of genes are inherited together through 2 or more generations is called, here, complete linkage, continuous linkage, incomplete linkage, consistent linkage. The right answer is option A, that is complete linkage. Next one is a person whose father is colorblind. A person whose father is colorblind marries a lady whose mother is daughter of a colorblind man. Their children will be, think of it, then you will come to know that is all normal, all colorblind, all sons colorblind, then some sons normal and some colorblind. So, option B is the right answer, some sons normal and some colorblind. So, dear friends, today, depending on sex-linked inheritance, we are taking some of the examples and questions and you studied as it is. So, today we are stopping it here and in coming class we'll continue. Thank you. Thank you very much.